Imagine a synthesis engineer. Let's call him Joe, juggling multiple tasks in a day. From manually controlling equipment to tirelessly monitoring processes, Joe was like a one-man circus act. Picture Joe dashing from one machine to another, juggling beakers like bowling pins and scribbling down data like a mad scientist. Yet amidst this whirlwind of activity, the possibility of human errors always loomed large, like a comedian's punchline no one wanted to hear. Poor Joe. His days were filled with constant hustle, leaving no room for creativity or innovation. Then, one fine day, automation walked into Joe's life, and oh boy, what a game changer it was. Picture this. Joe, our everyday synthesis engineer, used to labor away, manually performing tasks as monotonous as a broken record. But then, automation, like a superhero sidekick, swooped in to save the day. Suddenly, Joe's routine was transformed. Automation took over the repetitive tasks, performing them with the precision of a Swiss watch, tirelessly day in and day out. It was like having a robotic assistant who never took breaks or complained about Monday blues. The benefits were undeniable. Efficiency skyrocketed. Accuracy unparalleled. Safety top-notch. Data collection was as consistent as the tick-tock of a clock. Joe was no longer chained to the mundane. He was free to focus on the real magic, innovating for the betterment of society. With automation, Joe was no longer a juggling act but a maestro, orchestrating a symphony of synthesis engineering. So, what's the moral of our little tale of Joe and his automated sidekick? Well, it's pretty simple. Before automation, synthesis engineering was like trying to assemble a jigsaw puzzle in the dark. But now it's like turning on a bright, shiny light. Automation isn't the big, bad wolf here. It's a trusty tool enhancing the role of engineers, making their lives easier. In the end, it's not about man versus machine, but rather man using machines harmoniously with nature to create a better, more efficient world. And that, my friends, is the true beauty of automation and synthesis engineering.